Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to find the largest number from two given integers, but with a condition. Both numbers must be between 40 and 60. Let's jump right in. We are tasked with comparing two numbers and returning the larger one. However, there is an important condition. Both numbers must be between 40 and 60. If not, we'll return an appropriate message. Here's the code we'll use. The function max nums range checks if both numbers are within 40 to 60 range. If they are, it returns the larger number. If they're equal, it returns a message saying the numbers are the same. And if they're outside the range, it returns a different message. Let's break down how this works. First, we check if the numbers are within the specified range. Then, we compare them. If the numbers are the same, we handle that separately. If they're out of the range, we return a message indicating that. In this example, both 45 and 60 are within the range of 40 to 60, and 60 is the larger number, so the function returns 60. In this case, 25 is outside the specified range of 40 to 60, so the function returns a message indicating that the numbers don't fit in the range. Here, while 45 is in the range, 80 is not, so the function returns the same out of range message. Here's the same function written in ES6 using arrow functions. The logic remains the same, but the syntax is more concise. To summarize, we've learned how to check whether two numbers fall within a given range and return the larger one, or provide feedback if the numbers don't meet the criteria. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript lessons.